In this video, we are going to talk about the most scariest crypto moments of all time. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. We're sure you've gone to the movies and seen films such as Annabelle and The Conjuring, as well as other classics such as Halloween and Anything with a Hockey Mask, among other things. Alternatively, a glove with blades as fingertips. We go into these auditoriums expecting to be scared out of our wits, but we soon realize that there is no such thing as reality here. It's not Scream, either. Don't hold your breath for Ghostface or anything like that. As soon as the lights are turned on, you'll be alright, no problem. Whether you believe it or not, that is exactly what blockchain and cryptocurrency are becoming these days for everyone. It's a little frightening. Investors are wary of the situation. We end up hearing about financial disasters left and right, and we're on the verge of turning around and heading for the exit door without looking back. Moreover, the fact that these new financial technologies, structures, and systems are so brand new is precisely the reason why they terrify us so much. Have you ever been troubled by one of these nightmares while you were engaged in cryptocurrency trading? This Halloween, we're presenting you some of the scariest things that may have occurred to you in the cryptocurrency world this year, just in time for Halloween. Technology is notorious for being difficult at first. People will attempt to take advantage of the situation. Those around you will try to accept or adjust to it. There will be snags in the road ahead of us. The most recent innovations are always evolving and progressing. As a result, you may expect to hear some terrifying tales along the route. It is without a doubt unfounded to be concerned that some Goosebumps movie would come to actuality and the entire planet will become pixelated like Wreck-It Ralph or anything similar will occur. It is not the case. It is important to be cautious and strategic about the technology we strive to integrate, such as blockchain and cryptocurrencies, to avoid making costly mistakes. Listed below are 3 stories to demonstrate that there is still some risk out there if you do not exercise caution. Watch out for the investment regulations when making a crypto offer. Traditionally, investments in securities are a tough industry already. Why not add a burgeoning yet volatile digital atmosphere to it? Why don't we? Let's complicate things even more. This was the case for one startup ICO that wasn't paying attention to Swiss regulations. A founder of one crypto company dies, and guess what happens? It is actually quite amusing that crypto and blockchain are meant to be rather airtight and secure, and yet we're forgetting one simple thing that could be a problem for everyone. An easy password. You may freak after reading about what cryptocurrency can do to all global banks. It's a fact that banks and financial institutions clear and wide still to this day have an issue with incorporating digital currency into the fold. They're a bit skeptical. The fact is, cryptocurrency is largely becoming universal, not bound by a country, dialect, or society. Globally, anyone can use, have, save or trade cryptocurrency, because it exists on the internet. The writing, however, is on the wall. Cryptocurrency will continue to grow. The question is how? Should each country adopt its own specific crypto model? Maybe, maybe not. What good will that do? That might just muddy the waters even more. Or is it great that crypto is so decentralized that anyone anywhere can leverage it, trade and invest and save as a commodity and security in a portfolio safety net? Maybe, maybe not. It's sort of a catch-22 at the moment. Because the burgeoning technology truly is still well into development, not quite hitting the mainstream as of yet. Maybe if we just settle down and not fight over the value of our currencies, perhaps accept that maybe one day all of mankind can have just one universal currency. We can then say that technology has provided the ultimate benefit, wouldn't you say? Here are the 5 most scariest crypto moments of all time. So let's start. Number 5. A sharp cut in the chart. Probably one of the scariest moments for us all when you open the price chart only to find it drenched in blood red. We've seen on multiple occasions that the market is prone to extreme volatility, either up or down. Whenever the market suffers a sudden sell-off within a short period of time, crypto enthusiasts and traders alike would start to question the volatility. Just a month ago on Sept 24-25, 2019, The major digital assets rode on the roller coaster heading the wrong way. recording a 10 to 25% loss on the day and approximately 15 to 35% loss over a 7-day period. The biggest crush was Bitcoin, which shaved off 1,000 United States dollars in less than 30 minutes, hovering around 8,500 United States dollars from its previous plateau of around 10,000 United States dollars. Ethereum also collapsed significantly by over 22%, plummeted down to $153.46. Number 4. When FOMO is real. FOMO, or fear of missing out, might spike the candlestick chart, but it also heightens traders' emotions and makes them more likely to take risky and reckless decisions under pressure, especially for those crypto noobs. Is it time to buy? Is Bitcoin getting ready for another bull rally to $20,000 and beyond? Should I put money on this ICO now? The biggest risk of FOMO in the crypto community is that it might drive prices up very high at an unnatural rate, which possibly leads to an equally significant pullback once the FOMO passes. There have been moments in crypto history where traders have lost all their hard-earned wealth because they jumped into the market at the wrong time, such as those miserable traders who FOMO and bought Bitcoin at 20,000 United States dollars in December 2017, still haven't recovered, or investors that bet their money on some scammy ICOs that didn't go up as advertised. As Chinese crypto, Neo, Tron, etc., continue to surge after the recent comments by President Xi Jinping to promote blockchain technology in China, along with the market's big hope for Libra, FOMO seems to be just around the corner. Number 3. The immortal ICO scammers. Behind the glamorous ICO boom in 2017, over 1,500 projects have actually already failed, when soulless scammers did not deliver the promises they made on the white paper. Some call it exit scams, where deceitful ICO scammers vanish with investors' funds. Some of the most notorious exit scams this year include Velox 10 Global, a Brazilian company that claimed to be dealing in crypto, collapsed with millions of shillings of its Kenyan investors in March by promising high daily returns of up to 4,000 United States dollars. The website was closed down and the domain was even up for sale, and it was found that the company was a pyramid scheme. According to Cipher Trace data, 3.1 billion United States dollars were stolen through exits and another 874 million United States dollars in misappropriated funds, which are only preliminary with numerous other allegations under investigation. 2019 might be the year of the exit scam, so beware. Number 2. Crypto that doesn't sleep. How stressed are you when trading crypto? How long can you stand without checking your portfolio? Some say that the life of a trader is like swimming for hours in money, which usually ends up watching the charts and price movement for at least half a day. The market opens 24/7. Most people would freak out at this point, as they unrealistically wish to be able to track their assets every single second. Such high volatility is not conducive to traders' mental health. Watching the price madness is pretty scary, but the most horrifying thing waking up to has to be Bitcoin abruptly diving to the bottom and breaking its year low while you were sleeping soundly. Number 1. What's my wallet password? There's nothing compared to losing your money forever. If you've forgotten or lost your crypto wallet password, your assets are probably gone. But you're not alone. According to a Newsweek report, there are around 2.78 million Bitcoin have been lost since 2009, almost 30 billion United States dollars today. Here's an epic story of a man trying to recover his lost $30,000 Bitcoin in 2017. Mark Frauenfelder, a veteran tech journalist, wrote his password on a piece of paper and lost it after a few months. He tried to access the wallet with passwords from his memory for 5 months to no avail. One day, he received an email from the vault's manufacturer, explaining that there was a security vulnerability within the vault system, so he paid a hacker the equivalent of 3,700 United States dollars in Bitcoin, hoping to hack into his computer to see the password, and the password appeared instantly. For your future reference, in case of emergencies, there are actually wallet recovery services available online. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.